everyone. This is Sledhead, and I'm coming at you with my head shave of the day for today. It's September 11th, 2019, and I did want to say thanks for joining me for the head shave. Definitely do appreciate it. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm not doing too bad here. Just a Wednesday after work. Just want to get my head shave in here. Got about 3 or 4 days worth of growth, so I figured let's get it in, get it nice and shaved off, good for another up till the weekend or so. Okay, so to get in the shave here, I just wanted to go through some of the equipment that we'll be using for the shave. Hardware side. The razor I'm going to be using, this is my Gem Micromatic Clog Pruf. Okay, the single edge razor here, I bought this a while back. It's a really good shaver. I do like the single edges from my head. They seem to give me a real good shave for whatever reason. So this opens up kind of like that. You'll see I have a Gem stainless blade in here. I like these quite a bit. They seem to work out pretty well for me here. So there's the razor. The brush I'm going to be using. This is my West Coast shaving two-tone brush. This Boss knot or Game Changer knot, however you want to call it. Very nice 26 millimeter knot in there. It's got a nice little coin on the bottom there. Looking very nice. Very good brush. And the software side here, I'm going to use a cream tonight. It's hot. It's almost like, it feels like 90 here in Pennsylvania. So I'm going to use Ingram. This is a menthol cream. It's very good. This is from England. This was sent to me by Flash Boredom. I guess Flash won't be making any more videos here, so that's too bad. I hope maybe in the future he might come back. But hey, Flash, it was good to see you making videos while you did. So thanks for that, for your videos. And the aftershave I'm going to be using here, I haven't used this in a while. I just figured this has got menthol on it too. I could use a little menthol here. I'm going to use Aqua Velva Ice Blue. This is the old kind of bottle. I had this from a while ago, so we'll just use that. We'll try it out. Okay, so that's some of the hardware and the software we'll be using, so we can go ahead and get the head shave started. So let's go ahead and rock this shave out. So what I'll do now, I'm just going to take my brush, run it under some water here, get it wet. Flick out a little bit of the extra. Take the cap off the tube here. Then I'll just put it right onto the brush. I'll go with that. If I need more, I can always apply more. Right to the head, start building up the lather. Whoop. Oh, losing some. I caught it actually, surprising. Adding more water. Too dry. Yeah, this is like pretty much straight menthol. It smells like this stuff. Which is fine, you know, it's not the... If you don't like menthol, you're not going to like the smell, that's for sure. But I think it smells fine. Like I wouldn't want to smell this way on a date or anything, but it smells kind of clean, I think. And I feel like this stuff works pretty well for what it is. I don't think it's nothing fancy, but it's a good little cream. I feel like this works pretty well for me. You know, it's not going to be as good as an Artisan or anything like that, but you know, for what it is, pretty good. I wish we could just go and pick up a cream like this at the local, you know, drugstore or whatever. Like they're doing the UK, Wales in particular, where Flash got it. You can get something like this. Okay, so that's like, see, it whips up a nice lather. A little wet, but it's okay. Okay, I'm going to go with that. I think that's pretty good. First pass with the grain here. I can definitely feel the blade here and hear it. But I just like these single edges. They work very well. I feel as if the stiffer blade, they do have a very stiff blade compared to a double edge, work particularly well for me. Nice too, there's no blade exposure here, so you don't have to worry about clipping your ears with these either. I know not all DE razors have the blade tabs covered, so that'd be pretty handy. You know, one little less thing to worry about. Very nice. You'll see, this is good too. Like, good slickness here, no problems. The blade's not dragging or anything, so that's easy. I just find my line here. I could probably do one of these and just go behind. I don't feel like I really need to see. Feels pretty good. I don't know if you're able to see all that or what, but whatever. Good. That's a good first pass. I feel like I did a pretty good job, actually. I'll do second pass, last pass. I'll probably just do a like across the grain and across the grain and against the grain combo here. That's what I usually like to do. Okay, looking good. So this is across the grain for me, pretty much. Just gonna pause quick here. Okay, I'm back. Just had a heard somebody at the door. I had to go grab it. So let's see, almost done here. I think. Did I do this? Yeah, I think so. And I'm just gonna kind of across the grain here. Okay. Looking good, feeling good. Drama free here, no issues. Actually walked away from the camera there for a while and I went back just to this side. Still able to go over with nothing easily. So surprisingly, pretty good residual. So I was definitely away from the camera for a couple minutes. I think that's pretty good. I'm just gonna clean up around the ears here, make sure they're good. Pretty close, looks like. Get my towel. Let's wipe this off. Just do another quick check. Looking good. I think I got everything pretty close. Maybe just a little bit in my ear here. looking good and feeling pretty good. So that's excellent. So I'll go ahead and throw on a little bit of this Aqua Velva. Do this tip. Stuff like shaver taught me this. You just put, if it's a little bit bigger, put your finger half over it. It won't go crazy on you. Ooh, bit of a burn there. But nice and cool. Very good. Okay, feels good. Okay, while this is drying down then, we'll just go through again what we use for the shave. So the hardware, the Gem Micromatic Clog Pruf. Great little razor. I love this. Especially all the lather goes out from under here, so it's real nice to work with the blade. Worked very well. The brush is the West Coast Shaving two-tone brush here with this 26mm synthetic knot. Very nice. I do like that quite a bit. The cream, again, is this Ingram cream. I think it works pretty well, in my opinion. Nice menthol scent. And then the aftershave here is this Aqua Velva Ice Blue. Some nice menthol in there as well. Okay, so that does take care of the head shave of the day for today. I did want to say thanks for checking out the video. I definitely do appreciate it. Please like and comment below. I definitely like, seeing comments here on the video. It's appreciate the support, and thanks to all new subscribers and old subscribers alike. And again, thanks for checking out the video. Hope you have a great night. Hope you have some great shaves.